Ever pondered the price we pay for our daily bread? From the heart of chemical-laden landscapes, where the promise of abundance has become a toxic illusion, emerges a sobering reality. Every bite we take, every drop we drink, bears the imprint of a system gone awry. Chemical farming, once hailed as a boon, now reveals its bane. Polluted water, unhealthy crops, distressed farmers. Chemical farming has cast a shadow over our health and environment. Our water tainted, our bodies burdened, it's time for a change. Enter the self-sustainable city, a sanctuary where each plot is a microcosm of sustainability. Here we're trading the toxic for the tranquil, the chemical for the organic. The city's heart beats in rhythm with nature, not against it. Picture this: food forests that spring forth from the soil, untouched by harmful toxins. The residents? Happier, healthier, and in harmony with their surroundings. In this city, we've embraced the concept of do-nothing farming. It's a refreshing shift from the labor-intensive, chemical-dependent methods of old. Here, we let nature do the heavy lifting. And the fruits of her labor? Nothing short of bountiful. And what of waste? In this city, it's not a burden, but a boon. Composting, recycling, transforming waste into wealth, it's all part of the daily grind. In the self-sustainable city, we've not just transformed our lives, but revived the harmony between humanity and the environment. This is where the revolution truly begins. The revolution doesn't stop here. Embrace the call of the self-sustainable city, where each day brings a promise of well-being, harmony, and sustainability. This isn't just about changing the way we live, but about transforming the world around us. By joining this revolution, you're not only ensuring a healthier life for yourself, but also contributing to a greener, more vibrant planet. Join us in the journey from chemical chaos to nature's embrace, the self-sustainable city, where your well-being is nurtured and nature flourishes. The revolution begins here.